You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to turn off photo memories and featured photos on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Photos. Under the Photos tab, find the option Show Featured Content. Toggle this switch off. This will stop featured photos and memories from appearing in your photo libraries for you. Tab 2 also disable the automatic memory videos. Go back to the main photos settings, find memories and toggle off show holiday events and show memory movies. This prevents iPhone from creating these automatically. To stop receiving notifications for memories, go to settings, then notifications, then photos. Under allow notifications from, find the memories section and toggle it off. This will silence alerts about new memory collections. Please note, turning these features off does not delete existing memories. It only stops new ones from being generated and hides them from your view. Your existing memories will remain in the For You tab but will not be updated. This is useful if you find the memories feature distracting or if you prefer a simpler photo library interface. You can re-enable any of these features at any time by returning to the same settings and toggling them on. For more simple iPhone photo tutorials, subscribe to the channel.